Hello everyone. I'm Enfort. Good morning. We're working on circles. Also now I'm streaming in 1080p. So it looks nice. And I got this visualizer thing to work. So that's cool. But we're working on circles. I should be able to zoom out now that it's 1080p, right? Like still clear. Let me pull it up. Oh, sorry. Can't tell what this is pulling it at though. Sorry. Well, if you want me to zoom in, let me know. I bump the music a little. Okay, first thing, yesterday, we got this. And I'm kind of just laying out each, here, I'll pull up my image again. So first, people pick their username and display name. Then they do their email, because I'm going to do a whitelist thing. And then they log in, then they pick a password, and then they're good. So far we have, we have username, we've logged in, and we have username, so next we'll implement the email. So, wait, that's not correct. We'll just grab this whole thing, paste that into the email box. Okay, so number one is just going to be email, and then we don't need a second one, and then I'll figure out a little info box. Let's see, what did I have it at? This email will be used to verify the account and send you security information. Okay. probably say something about closed alpha. Actually, that's what the info box is going to say. So let us create a an info box class in our CSS. See, this is text area, so we'll just do a box. Then it can be info box. I don't know if we want it to be real specific. Should probably create an actual box. You know. So we'll do. I guess it'll be a div. And then we'll just put nothing in it for now. Did it show up? Well, I guess there's nothing in it. Height, 100 pixels. Why isn't it showing up? Div with class of info box. CSS info box, I need to force reload. Ah. We'll do. Margin left and margin right. To center it. It's a little tall. And then we'll give it, I think this should be a little bit wider to kind of fit the width of everything. Okay. Give it a border radius of 10 pixels. Okay, and then we're gonna go steal our values from here. Get rid of this background color. I'll need to be using SCSS. Whoa. Okay, cool. Why is it not perfectly centered? These aren't perfectly centered. Oh, it falls out. Alright, we'll worry about that in a minute. We'll give it 10 pixels on the top and bottom. Now we'll tell it that its font family is Archiform Sans and now we'll do a info box A. And let's move font family and color into here. And we can even say, not A, B. And then we'll say that the opacity of the text can be half, just for a little visual interest. There we go. And then we'll also give it we'll give it a margin of nothing. And then maybe just a margin of like 10 pixels. Okay, cool. So now we can say what exactly is the information. And right now, as of now, as of now, Circles is in a closed beta, closed alpha, let's call it. To access it, you must support me on GitHub. Once I can pay for servers and a domain name, this project will enter an open alpha, and the original supporters will get a badge inside of Circles. Good enough, I think. It's kind of too long, actually. And this can be a link to wherever my GitHub support page is gonna be. Actually, I don't know that yet because I haven't set it up. So I'll change that later. We'll add it to do. Maybe I can just make the font size a little smaller. Like 12 pixels. That might be too small. Oh, that's what it was. Of course. 11 pixels. Oh. But that's 12 pixels. I bet doesn't it default to 15 or something? Either way, I also want to give this a left margin. Or no, that's not how we're going to do it. Because we want an info icon. Don't we? Or is this fine for now? You know what? Let's just leave it. We'll make height of 100% of what it needs. And it can just flex, flow. Per se. We'll bump this, and yeah, that's pretty good. Do we think this is a little hard to read, or maybe we can add a hover thing for it? An info box hover. Change opacity to 0.7. Transition 0.3 seconds. Ease. Hover, hover, hover. That's fine. Maybe a little bit more though. Also, I don't really like how the pointer does that. Can we change that? Cursor. I always forget these default, probably. Yeah, that's good. I just don't really like how it tries to select everything. You can still do it, but it's kind of funny. Okay, maybe we can scale up the font size just a little, too, when you do this. How does that actually transition properly? Oh. Is that nice? I can't tell if that's nice. It's a little different than just the scale. You know? Smooth scale. Font size is kind of funny looking. Okay, that's good enough for me. But perhaps this should be a little bit more of a blue color, just for good measure. Because it's like info, you know? Oh, that's actually kind of nice. How about a little darker? I like that. Ooh, cool. Okay, info. Why don't we really quick just design some for other colors too? While we're here, because we might as well make this like consistent. I'm gonna have to reorganize all my CSS at some point, but so we'll do a warning box, which can be more like red, and it's literally just the same otherwise. And we'll do or maybe a critical box. And this can be a warning box. And this one can be more like yellow. Or maybe more orangey. Alright, let's just give these a quick try. Switch that to critical box. It's still blue. There. And warning box. Kind of like too yellow. Can it be more? Can it be more scary? Maybe more yellow. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have login, username, email. Now we need a password. Now, I do want to have like a password strength meter. That was kind of my idea. So let's steal this. Well, we can go steal our password one since that one's already set up. Box text area, and these are still. Oh, we still have class ID. Okay, so this is just box. Alright, I see what I did. So we'll just stick the normal password just here. Password. But we want to change. Oh, so this is the shorter. No. I don't even know why this says this for the username. We don't need that. Ooh, some of this is kind of funky. login has a. These are all incorrect. Login says the shorter username you create your account with, password doesn't need to say anything. Everyone knows what a password is, right? Okay, username says create a short, and this is your display. Info box has the info and explains what the email does. Password says doesn't need to say anything again. Okay. Now, how do we want to do this? What do we want it to look like? Do we just want it to be like, let's do CodePen. Let's see how we kind of do this. What kind of elements did they use? Password strength validator, yeah. I don't even know what it looked like. I just clicked it. They're using a bunch of JavaScript. Can it just be easy? I mean, obviously, I'm gonna have to use JavaScript. That's not change it eventually. So that doesn't really make sense. It doesn't like me spamming 1, 2, 3. Spamming random characters seems to work though. This should have a, this should check length. Have a CodePen account. Oh, I switched browsers. Okay, we would probably want 3 separate things. What, just 3 separate divs that we style? Okay, so we'll do div off box password date, and then we'll have another div with I'll make them all share a class of auth box password validate segment. You love it when your names get so long. You're trying to make it all make sense and it really just doesn't. You do it anyway though. Okay, so now we need to make the auth box validate segment. We're gonna have to do some maths. If we want the width of these segments to be, first, we got step 1, auth box password validate creates to be flex. Display flex direction row. Okay, so now width needs to be, so we give it a 5% margin. So that's 90 divided by 4, which is 22.5%. So that's fine. And then we'll give it a... let's say 20.5%, and they can have a left margin of 1%. And then obviously you need a height of like 20 pixels or something. So that'll show up. Why isn't it showing up? Please. I really need to put something inside of it. Why? Oh, no background color. Oh wow. Really? Hey. I know you're there. Aren't you? Not there. But you are. Can't hide. Come on. Okay, well, number one, I did all this wrong. That should be like this, and then this should be out of that. Step one. Password validates right here. 0 by 0, it says. This box is here. Wait, 100% maybe? What? $600 by 0. Why do you have no height? Height, 100 pixels. Is that enough? Oh. I forced it on you. Height, 100 pixels. What's wrong with that? Why don't you tell me? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Why won't the segments work? 0 width? What? Force it width. Really? How very awkward. Okay, you can see that my math is wrong. Why do I do this to myself? That's fine. I had it before. Okay, let's go grab our cool looking border. And then let's... Five pixels might be too much. Oh, I could use more. Except... I want it to look cool, right? Right? So... you want it to look cool. So border left, border top, top left, border bottom left, border top right, and border bottom right can all be changed. One for each one, so we can just cut this, paste this in here, so then top left and top right should have some, and the right side shouldn't. And the number 2 should just be none. Same for number 3. And then number 4 should be on the right side. It's like Google-esque style. Imperial design, you know? Oh. Step 1, change the numbers. There we go. I think we could lower the margin a little bit. Like by kind of a lot. Now it's not centered anymore. So we'll give it another %. Perfect. I quite like that. What do we think? Now then we have to figure out why is strong password all the way down here. Oh, right, it's because of my unnecessary extra height. That can be 100%. Okay, I want to give it a little padding. Or a little margin. So we'll say... give it 20 pixels on the top. Probably 20 pixels. That's alright. That's alright for now. We do still need to make buttons for each one of these. If I come back to my picture, these kind of buttons. But we did also use this kind of button here. So we kind of have to decide, ooh, wait, I had an idea for these buttons. What if we make these look like this, kind of? I can quite like that. Hang on, let's do that really quick. So first we're gonna have to put these buttons in a div, because so we can make their widths equal. Give this an ID of main-header-button box. Main-header-button box. Display flex. Flex direction column. Oh, that just worked. Oh, nice. Okay, so now we can go find our button sign up. Where's that? Why can I not find it? Oh, I better go grab this too while I'm thinking about it. Sign up. Did I put it somewhere weird? Probably. Oh, I never used it, did I? Okay. I suppose that makes some sense. I'll just put it right here. What was it called? So we want top left and top right to have that radius. Why don't we make it a little more? Because these buttons are a bit bigger. Yeah. We could even have these be just a little. Ooh, okay. And then let's go back to our button, I presume. And we can change that a little bit, because it's kind of a lot of margin. Margin 10, is that really what it is? I guess. What if we just get rid of that? Okay. Margin top. Oh, we want less of a margin on the top. And the bottom. Okay, now we'll do the login button really quick. Wherever I had that. So we want it to be vice versa. There. Does that look? I don't know, but I kind of like it. Maybe the box could just have a little padding on top. Or sorry, a margin. Just a slight bit. Alright. let's make the other kind of buttons that we want. Let's make the little ones down here. So we'll just give each box a pair. So like, here's our login one, so we'll give it a div with an ID of auth box button box. Sure. And then we'll just stick 2 buttons in it. Sometimes they'll get used, sometimes they won't, because obviously the first one, you know, it's gonna vary. So I guess let's just grab these. And then their ID can be authbox, authbox, button box, back. And obviously this is login, so this isn't needed. And this one can be login. But I want a different kind of button, so let's change that. Let's create a new button class. Wherever those were. What shall we call it? Button smaller. Sure. Not 3 L's. Because let's go assign our class. Because I don't know, I want them to be smaller. Around the corners a bit more. A lot more. Way more. Ooh. Okay. We will lower the font size a little. And sure. So why don't we just put this? Well, let's do all this first. Authbox, button box. What a great name. We'll display with flex. Flex direction row. One's always going to be on the left. So we'll just give this a margin right of 100% as far as it can. That's going to push that. Why? I don't know. Justify content space between. Who knew that existed? Thanks. Your answer. Oh, I need to start doing this again. Thank you. Appreciate it. So, is that all we need then? It kind of seems like yes. I do want to bump it a little bit more away from the edge. Cool. Okay, let us add that to every one of them now. Let's just see if it works, because it might just work. Username. So we don't need a back button, but we do need a next button. Just see if that works. On the wrong side. Okay, that's fair. Can we just stick a style in here? Line right. Line self right. Line items right. Maybe off box, button box. One button. Should be separate. And we'll align everything to the right. Align items right. No. Justify content right. Oh, there we go. Cool. Okay, so well, this is just log in, so this can just be one button as well. And I don't think these need to have IDs anymore. Which is nice. Again, next. Perfect. What more do we need? Now, these I do want to align these to the bottom of the container. We'll do that in a minute. Wonder how we would do that. Just that. It's gonna be funky because we're running out of space. But I would expect that to work once we're starting to hide and show these. But we'll worry about that later. Because obviously now stuff's falling out. Okay, so now this is email.
With some of my friends, and I smoked some, and I passed out.
So we can give this a back and a next button. And that should just... oh. What? Is it there? Can we just not see it? That could be the case. Considering we no longer see the password thing either. Okay. We'll just throw all these in, I guess. Oh, they will need IDs for the JavaScript. Alright, that's fine, I guess. That's a slight bummer, but I like it to be clean if possible. Well, I guess for now we could try to set up this little script. Can we do it all in here, do you think? Alright, well, step one, let's fix all the IDs, because that's kind of important. To be fair. Auth box, button box, log in. Auth box, button box, next username. Auth box, button box, back, email, and auth box, button box, next email. Don't love these redundant names. Auth box, button box, back, password, auth box, button box, create account, password. Makes sense, I swear. Okay, everything still works as intended. I also kind of hate that. I want this to have a better animation. The buttons don't click, you know? They don't actually click. See, look at that. It actually clicks now. Doesn't that just look so much better? Make it happen even faster. But only for the transform property. Oh, I broke it. Best to leave it at 0.3 seconds. Just gonna leave all that as it is, I don't know. It's fine. We'll stick this in this one as well. So all the buttons should do that. That one didn't. Now it did. I want the X2 as well. You know what I mean? Subtle. But it makes a difference. Okay, so now we should theoretically be able to do this. So we're just gonna, I guess, set up all of our buttons, our new buttons, our additional buttons. Button. Authbox login. We have username next. Oh, sorry, next username. We need back to next for the email. Back email, next email, back email, next email, okay. Back password. Create account password. Why do I do this? Okay. So, what do we want to happen? We should probably actually just do it, huh? Okay. Variable screen. It's 0. What's a JavaScript comment? 2 lines, I knew that. 0 is username. 1 is email. 2 is password. Oh. Zero is login. 1 is username. 2 is email. 3 is password. Okay, so if show auth box is fine, then we also want.
Cameron, we miss you.
How do we want to do
I
this?
love relationships. I think they're fantastic. They're wonderful. I think they're great. I think there's nothing more beautiful than falling in love. But falling in love for the right reason. Falling in love for the right purpose. Falling in love.
What if
Falling
we
in love. When you fall in love.
Of course. Why didn't I think of that? Why did that take me so long? Function. Just log in. And then that sets screen to be 1. No, 0. Set that to be nothing for now. Null. Have fun. And then of course just call show auth box. Or maybe do this first, because that's important. So now if login button triggers, then we log in. And then when function sign up runs, we show auth box, and then we set screen to be 1 because we're on the username screen. And then obviously we have to do trickery, but I think first. Okay, so other thing we have to do is we have to get the elements for every one of our boxes. So variable box. We're just gonna keep it simple because I don't want to.
I love relationships. I think they're fantastic.
Login.
They're wonderful. I think they're great. I think there's nothing in the world more beautiful than falling in love.
Then we're gonna get our complicated IDs. Login is authbox login. Then we have authbox username. Equal sign important. I would expect that to be authbox email. It is. And then this is authbox password. Okay. This is quite the this is quite the JavaScript document. Never done anything like this. Box login dot style dot display equals none. None. Box login dot style dot nope. Box username dot style dot display equals none. I'm not typing it again. I'm not typing it again. That's not correct. I don't know what I just did. Okay, now everything should be gone. Nothing's gone. What? spitting errors. Did I do the display incorrectly? The is what I did. What? Oh, okay. I just needed to do a force. Okay, good. So, can we just do like a... Like... Can we create an event listener for value change? Is that possible? Oh, this one has 7 methods. It's just a loop. Object.observe. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take a quick break, and I'll be back. We can continue on this in a moment. This song is kind of nice. I've returned. Let's do this. I mean, what am I even doing? What am I even trying to do? We already have this working fine. Why don't I just, whenever anyone clicks any of these buttons, not all of them, but obviously the ones that navigate, it'll just advance it. It'll just have another function for that, so we'll just do function update value. Right? Because then we can have so like button authbox next username can have a click event listener. So that's just the initial one. So then if screen is equal to 1 still, this means that it's already in the username, so go next. So then, oh, okay, we'll do that in a minute, but and then just that to be fixed. And then log in, obviously set we want box login. And then sign up should have but then obviously we're doing this, so then first we want to do
Didn't know if you were busy tonight, but just if you're around, give me a text.
it's gonna be completely unanimated, and that's gonna be the messy part. So we'll just swap these around. Set email. And then we also had checks for password and stuff. Like don't let you go next until you actually put in a password or whatever. Okay, so this in to see if that works. Of course it doesn't work. What? Oh, also I have to do this for everything.
On second thought, never mind. Things came up.
value next also. So we need one that goes backward, if you're going back. Can you do a quick plus in JavaScript? That's kind of nice. We'll have one for update value back. That takes one away, obviously. And then when we're going back, if it's 1, well, this wouldn't happen. If it's 2, we're in email, so go back. To show username, hide email, and we'll flip these around. And then if we're in 3, that means we're... So go back. So we want to set and password to be none. And then we already did that. But why isn't it showing up at all? Good question. Oh. Okay, well, something else is funny. Okay, but step 1 is to put event listeners for everything. So next username, next email. That's, I guess, it for those. And then we need one for back. Back email and back password. Okay, so now why isn't this changing? All their displays are still none. Oh, I did this, remember, it has to be inline. Don't know why. Not going to pretend I understand. Login. Okay. There's some funny stuff. Okay, if you press sign up, pressing sign up works. When you press sign up, hide login. And when you press login, hide sign up. Okay, reasonable. Sign up. Login. Just moves right onto the password for some reason. I don't know. That's must be a bug, I guess. Don't we think? Might be just to be a bug. I don't know what I'm talking about. Also, I want to change this text. Of course, here we go again. So now if we're doing login, header label dot inner HTML equals log into circles and join circles. Join circles, log into circles, join circles, log into circles. Perfect. And then we'll change it to be logging into whatever. Logging into circles.media and creating an account at circles.media. Perfect. Okay. Okay, now when we click sign up, let's console.log the contents of screen. It's one. Okay, and then we'll do just stick this here and here. It's one. Now it's two. If screen equals 2. Oh. Iterate it at the end. Maths. Next. Why? 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 Where's info box? It's not correct. Yeah, they're all the way down there. Okay, step 1, change height to fit content. That's what I should have done all along. Across all of my varieties. Done. Oh, it's like real cursive, you leave and come back. I need to have a check for that. Because if screen equals null, then do all this nonsense. Because maybe the user clicked out and clicked back and wanted to click back in. It should remember all of this. All of this important stuff. You know what I mean? Perfect. Exactly how it should be. Except if screen equals null for login, or screen doesn't equal for sign up, it's supposed to be 1, or doesn't equal 0. Or is 2 of those. Sign up, next, log in. And we'll just ensure that username, email, and password are sufficiently destroyed. Sign up. Start. Sign up. We're here. Log in. We're here. Sign up. Sign up. Okay. This isn't correct. Okay, that seems correct. Okay, now let's figure out why this is happening. Can you really not do that? What if we do? First off, no. maze? Eh. Uh. This hard. Isn't hard. I hate it when they do inline CSS. I mean, line self last baseline. What does that do? Doing it. Nope. I mean, I think it is doing technically what it's supposed to. Yeah, the box just doesn't fill the space. Then it does this. We set this. It just gets huge, which doesn't really make sense to me. Like, it's filling the available space in the page. But hard. Fight auto. Ah. I feel like this isn't even. Well, hi everyone. I didn't see your chat. Thanks, Low King Luke. Glad you think it looks nice. I use Windows. And Bo Ipes Lion. Sorry. I have not worked with DLLs before. Because I use Linux, actually. There, I guess I wasn't paying attention to chat as well as I should have. What are you making with DLLs? Or what are you trying to do? Alright, can anyone figure out what I'm doing wrong? Trying to get this button to go down here, like in my reference. I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong. It's like, my box doesn't have enough, isn't expanding, but if I say height 100%, maybe I just put the divs in the wrong spot, actually. Because if I do this, then it leaks out. Did I put all this in the right spot? Yeah. I had 3 viewers for a second. Now they're all gone. Where are my password buttons? Also. Hello? Oh, they're all the way down there. Oh, probably because my validate box is set too high as well. These buttons on the bottom. Really don't want to use that though. Bottom 0. See, now it's all the way over there. So I have to do right 0. My padding's off. It's not terrible, I guess. But wouldn't that mess up my that one's fine. But like there's 2 buttons. See, then it does that. So I need my height, or my... What's even the shape of it right now? Can I make this be 100%? Is that gonna work? Oh, that's not terrible. Slightly offset though. I don't know why. Good enough for now, I suppose. Okay, well, these look pretty nice. Pull this back up. Okay, that is all hooked correctly together, right? Oh. We just increase that a little bit. Where do I have the button? Button smaller. How do I even? Why is that even happening? Ah. These buttons are kind of messed up. That one's fine. I don't like how that's on 2 lines. I just drop the font size a little and just fix it. I don't even know. That one's alright. But leave it for now. It's an alpha. What did people expect? But let's get this to work. And how do you disable a button? But how do you disable it? No, I'm doing JavaScript. Button not disabled. Okay, that's pretty easy. So can text area event listener. Just change, okay. So that'll be auth box. I didn't even. I have not included all my entries, have I? All of those are gonna need IDs too. Alright. Authbox, login, authbox, text area, login. No, that needs to be a username. Username and password. Login, password. And login username. And then we need authbox, text area, and this is for username. Don't worry, it'll all make sense. And username, display name. And then we have email. And password. Don't ask about my naming conventions. I'm working on it. So now I gotta add all these. Text area, login, username, login, password, username, display name. Text area, username. Nope, we don't need another one of those. Email. All makes sense. Eventually. Wish we could autocorrect cross file. Wonder if that's a thing. Yeah. Guess not. work on my naming conventions. This is kind of a lot. Well, I guess we'll start on the first page. Username and display name need to be populated before you can click next. So, on change, we'll run function check check username. Okay, so we'll just stick that down here. And this literally just gets dot value. Okay, so we gotta do text area username.username.value. So like if doesn't equal nothing, I presume that works in JavaScript, and text area display name value doesn't equal nothing, then what's that button called? Button disabled equals true. Why doesn't that work? Or does it? Just confirm that that actually works. Doesn't work. How cool. Oh, it works when you click on it. For once. But input? Is it really input? It is. Yeah, we're not disabling the button. But what? Okay. anything change? Unless am I not doing this correctly? Okay, it's not disabling. Because why? We need to print this. We need to actually get the value. Don't know what it does. It's just nothing. But nothing. How much nothing? Is there a space? Trying whatever this does. There's nothing. Oh, okay. Okay, that works. Cool. But I think it needs a proper, actual, disabled action. You know? Okay, cool. So we can customize this too. So let's just change the background color to be darker. And make the opacity a little lower. Why is there no opacity? Oh, right, it's my RGBA. What? Why does it not work? Oh, it does. It's just not very obvious. Okay. We'll also make it quite a bit smaller for fun. Maybe not that small. Ah, I like that. Who else likes that? I sure do. But it's gonna have to check to see if that name's already taken when you click next. So there's a lot of stuff that I have to get done. Authentication is always such a pain. This is probably gonna be the hardest part. But I don't even have a proper authentication system yet, so that can just be like a later thing. But I do need to make it disable this button by default. Or disable all the buttons by default. Just because those are all gonna have to be checked. So let's just do that, I guess.
Sleep.
Oh, but the back buttons never need to be disabled. Imagine that. Couldn't ever go back. That'd be kind of a problem. Can we make it do something if you try to click it? And it's disabled? Is that possible? I feel like that should be possible. Can we do like a...
Sleep.
Ooh, we kinda can't. So let's make it play a little shake. So at 0%, it'll skew X, just like 10. So what? 25 will be back to the middle. Will be on the edge. And then 75% will be zero. That's not correct. But let's just see if it works at all. Ah. Of course, I have to bring this animation. Then once you fill this out, it lets you. I think that's kind of cool. Anyone else? I don't know, just watching. I don't know, I like that. You kind of have to hold it a little, but it kind of helps. I don't know. Let people know. They can't. It's gonna make it annoying for me to test. Well, I think I ought to end the stream now. So we got a significant portion of it. Well, I'll have to set up keybinds too. We got a lot of this working. Got a lot of this little stuff. Simple stuff. But we've got a lot of this infrastructure, and I haven't really properly used JavaScript before, so this is quite fun. Yeah. Glad I was able to stream at 1080p. Because I've dropped 0 frame, which is quite impressive. Especially on my internet. But, thanks everyone for stopping in. Sorry to those couple people that I didn't see right away. And, well, probably stream tomorrow. I might get some of these little things done in here. Like, I might just hit the buttons to do the same thing. And I might try to figure out how to animate. I mean, we should be doing the same thing we did. I might also try to animate this transition between pages. So later. Because that's not it's not gonna be that hard. It's like what we've been doing, you know, with this. And then probably, I know the title says we're doing actual authentication, but that is probably gonna have to wait until tomorrow. But I had fun today, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.